Hello there everyone, Puyo here, bringing you episode 2 of How to Train and Play a Puyo. I'm thinking about doing these every single week, consistently. I think the last one I did was a week ago, exactly. So, time to do another video. So, in this tutorial, we're going to be going over a few things. Comparing this stairs chain, we know what the stairs chain is already. We went over it in the other part. It's basically, this thing drops down, pops out, then it's 2 chain. Well, this one's a little bit different, and it's called the sandwich. What's the sandwich, you ask? Well, it has the 2 pieces of bread and the inside. As you can see, it's a very, very Christmas-like sandwich. So, you can pretty much envision how these two chain off, so I'm not going to do it. But, what's the hassle between these two? Well, this one has 3 components, while this one has 2 components. 2 components of the kaidan, or stairs, is the color and its corresponding color. That's basically it. And then we have the sandwich with its inside, and then its 2 pieces. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And that makes it a little bit more of a hassle because you have to pay attention more to the colors. So, let's get on with making the chain. In making the chain, all you have to do is put down 2 as opposed to the stairs pattern, which requires you to put down 3. But you just put in groups of 2, and that's it. That's your starting layer. And then we go up. I'll just make this really quick. What? That's very interesting. Alright, so this is what the stairs pattern looks like if you were to be doing it in more than 1 chain, or 2 chains rather. You can kind of envision in your head what this would look like if this red part right here is set off. I'll show you what it looks like in action. And if you saw, this is sandwiched in between these 2. And then when that breaks, the purple is sandwiched in between the yellow, then the yellow in between the blue, and then the blue in between the red, and then the red in between the green. And then the green pops. Now this right here is a 6 chain, as opposed to stairs pattern's 5 chain. Now that's one of the reasons why you'd want to do sandwich chain instead of the stairs chain. Well, also, another reason why this is really good is because you can transition. Now I'm going to go over right now what a transition is. It is a set of Puyo that makes this go up to the next area. Now what are these areas I'm talking about? Well, they're like invisible segments of this board. Like this would be the first one. This would be the first segment. And then up here, here's the second segment. And that's a transition. So we can add a color like yellow, put the red on top of it, and then this would essentially bring it up to the next part. So we can add a stairs chain. Okay. And you can see what I'm doing right here. I'm bringing it up to the next level, as opposed to just keeping it grounded to the earth, like, you know, whatever. And this is another reason why you should do the kaidan and practice it instead of the stairs, because the stairs you can only do. The stairs is a lot easier. I mean, a lot harder to transition off of. So that's why lots of people don't use the stairs. Holy crap! I think I just messed this up. All right, there we go. And let's just add a few more colors. And that should be enough. Oh wait. Ha 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 ha, I messed up. I messed up quite a lot. Alright, so... You know what, I'll just stop right there. You can pretty much imagine the idea of what I'm talking about. So let's set off this chain. As you can see, that was a 10... What the hell did I just do? Okay, so... that goes down, that goes down, that goes down, that goes in there, yeah. And then we have a 10 chain. Now, I don't know about you, but I think a 10 chain is pretty impressive among beginners. So if you can master this transitioning concept, you can even go up to a third level, or a 0.5 level rather. And that is how you master the 19 chain, which I haven't done yet. But when I do it, I will definitely make a step-by-step tutorial on how to do the 19 chain. Alright. So, that's it for this part. But, yeah, that's basically what the sandwich chain is. If you didn't understand what the sandwich chain was, then, you can go back, watch this video again, and you'll pretty much get it eventually. In the next part, we're going to be going over the keychain. Now, what is this exactly? I'm going to go over briefly. Well, see, it's kind of like the sandwich, but it's kind of not. This key-like substance, well, key-like structure, is blocking this right here. It's not quite a sandwich because a sandwich would be a little bit, more like a sandwich. This one, it looks more like a key that's going into a keyhole. And then when that key unlocks, this thing breaks down and then pops. So I think this is a very, very interesting thing, and I'm going to try to master it by next week. So see you next week, and keep playing and stuff. What the?